Paradise. Cheers! I love this song. Try this blue one. It's
Honestly, darling, the Monte Carlo sunset was absolutely divine, but the service here on the Ocean Parati.
oh my God, look at that! Is it coming closer?
We are taking on water. Coordinates 150. We need immediate assistance.
This is the Ocean Paradise. I copy your mayday. What is your position?
Emergency, all hands, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. Do not delay. Head to the life rafts now.
What's that? We hit something!
Help me, I can't hold on.
The yacht is going down. Get to the life rafts.
Over here, we need help!
Hurry up, jump! It's going down, hold on.
Help us, somebody help us.
We're sliding, grab the railing.
Abandon ship.
Secure the bottom buckle first, then pull the shoulder straps tight. Like this.
Watch the cables, steady, steady!
We're hitting the side. Get us out of here.
Shh, it's all right, my love. Just stay close to me. Help us, someone please help us.
Is anyone else coming?
Help us, quickly.
Grab the rope, don't look down!
Oh God, look at that! Get back!
Are we gonna be okay?
Look up there, the kittiwakes. They don't stray far from shore. This means land.
Oh God, it's right there! Paddle! Faster, move faster! Help!
God, the door! Grab him! Help me! Pull me in!
Calm down, calm down. Hold him still.
Catch him. Get him down, slowly. Is he breathing?
my God, they found us! We're saved!
We got you! You're safe!